pretty much impossible to do all of the IPAs every day, unless you're full time. You know what I'm saying? And you got nothing else to do but work online, which is great. Like I did. Like I could have done this, when I was just an affiliate, not running a company. I could have done this all day. But I'm gonna get assistants. So my goal is to get assistants to be hireable, right? So Mario will teach them all, and then you guys will be able to pay assistants to do a lot of these things. And I'll have a lot of pre-made things done for you guys. Who freaking thinks this was? I mean, this is like a nice little interjection of what's coming. Who thinks this is freaking amazing? What's some of your thoughts about this? This alone right here, just the 44, it took freaking 3 weeks to get to that. I mean, to break it down like that, you know what I'm saying? Takes a long time. So who's excited about these IPAs? All right. I'm over the top about it because I'm telling you, we're going to prove this concept and it's going to be like, I mean, everybody's going to want it. Everybody needs it. You need it for your kids. You need it for sports teams. You need it for freaking television. You need it for your kids. You need it. I don't know if I said that. You need it for everything. I mean, everything. You need this, right? So it's like, I'm excited about doing it for my kids. You know what I'm saying? Like all kinds of stuff. It's huge, 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 huge. All right. So I'm excited, but make sure you guys are doing these for now. You know what I'm saying? You might as well go ahead and do them. I mean, these are income producing activities, right? So, but literally, so 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., I'm literally going to be copying all of these, all right? And just pasting it down below for the middle of the day. Because I told you, you got your 9 to, your 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., right? Then you got your 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So what's so cool is that there's never a day and a time that you're not going to have an IPA anymore. There's no excuses. You know what I'm saying? No freaking excuses. An assistant, my assistant, well, it just depends. I mean, my assistant doesn't really count because I've had her for like 6 years. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to find out. I've paid thousands for one day's event, weekenders, and never learned as much as I did today. Amazing value. I appreciate that, Falcon. Appreciate that. I feel good about today. Really, really good about today. I feel like this is going to be, I keep telling my parents and Clifton, I'm like, I think this is revolutionary what we're going to be doing when this all goes into the game, you know? So yeah, the value today, thank you so much for saying this was such a good value regardless, and this would work. I mean, this works by itself. You guys can go ahead and start doing it. But man, I just can't wait to see it. Like I had this vision of it, like all of us vibing and having fun, seeing people do the IPAs, and we're going to have fun, stuff in here, like as well, adding in things. So man, and this is going to be so cool. And it's just the beginning. It's like, there's going to be so many iterations. I don't even know what the word I'm saying anymore. I'm tired. I know that. I'm done, fam. I haven't slept in like 2.5 days anyways. So, but yeah, I'm loving the responses. We still got 70 rock stars on here, 73. So, because you guys can't see what I see on the boom. Appreciate all this love, y'all. Doesn't that feel good too? Like it even feels good for my own self because now, like I am gonna be able to log in. You see that I can see 73 up here, 66 on SalesVision. 4 on my personal, 1 on the people who are like the 1 and the 2 over there. You guys are lonely. You need to come over here to our vibes. Over here to the main vibe. Okay, it will evolve faster than you think. I believe it too, for real. I feel like this idea is going to be stolen instantaneously, but it's not easy to create. You know what I'm saying? I know that all internet marketing companies watch. I mean, I've been blessed to do this all the time anyways, because I've been blessed to have time to learn these things before everyone. Because I always tell you, I give a lot of props to my parents. I didn't have to go work. right? I got to learn these things, and I've always got to be able to stay ahead of it because I didn't have to go work and grind to make ends meet. They got me the latest and greatest technology. I was able to help my mom in her Mary Kay business, you know, in the beginning. And so I always had good technology, and so I've always been ahead of the curve. But this is going to be, everybody always copies my ideas online. This is going to be copied in everything. I mean, think about it. Once these daily IPAs are going, and somebody sees this versus a training area, right? Like, who's going to want to go into a training area, like log into a back office and go train by themselves and not see daily IPAs, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, where everybody having fun, competing against each other, giveaways, getting these cards. Like, they're going to have to go get Visa cards too, because it would be fun regardless without you guys getting daily rewards, right? But this is where it goes to the next level, right? Where we do daily raffles. And I'm talking to Clifton about how we automatically code it. You know what I'm saying? Like, automatic, the top 25 automatically gets coded, and it automatically raffles it. You know what I'm saying? All that kind of stuff. So it's going to be really, really, really cool how that all goes down. And I mean, fam, we got so much going on. We got the freaking SalesVision marketplace, right? Ken, if you're still on here, did you get your wallet? Let me know if you guys got your wallet.
So this is one of the trainings. And just remember, if you have a product to sell or a business to promote, you can access this training just for free. Get a free account, and you will find the information in the description below, and just click on the link. Okay? Thank you for watching.